ganda, sobrang effort, sobrang lalaki ng kanilang mga costume. But then, they were able to rap it, diba, in front of our audience. Grabe yung effort, grabe yung dedication. So I commend all of you for that, candidates.
Yes, that's right, Mama. Truly, our candidates set our stage in fire. Talaga namang kalawang costume ang naggagandaan, nagbobonggahan.
So para po sa kalaman ng lahat, ito pong ating segment na ito ay Warrior Attire dahil po ang ating tema ng Foundation Day ay Game of Thrones, di ba? Lahat tayo warriors. Totoo naman, partner, di ba? Lahat tayo ay mandirigma. We are all warriors of our own stories. And tonight, they are fighting for what they want, di ba? Nilalabanan nila yung kaba, nilalabanan yung pressure, nilalabanan ang sakit ng paa. Tama ba, girls? Kahit pa sakit ng paa, kasi ganun din ang nararamdaman ko, nilalabanan ang sakit ng paa para lang makapag-provide ng isang well-deserved performance para sa ating mga audience.
And for sure, our candidate is ready to take flight. Dahil sa tayo na tayo mga paa. They are ready to take flight to get the crowd tonight.
Truly, every one of them embody the spirit of warriors with their strong, fierce, and striking poses to their bold attire. They are ready to conquer the battlefield and they have definitely set the stage on fire. Isa nga po ulit, malakas na palakpakan para sa ating mga candidates!
Palakpakan na may kasamang Biyaway!
So audience, calm down muna. Let me ask you, which warrior stole your attention the most? Number? Okay, sigaw na ulit. Okay, so it's very understandable that we have different perspectives kasi gusto natin sila lahat manalo. Ano? Kasi sa kanilang aura ngayon, they really deserve to win. Diba, sir?
Sa candidate ay bigyan yung mga dalang mga supporters. Tama ba ako? Okay, yung narito lang ang supporters ng bawat candidate, isang malakas uling sigawan!
I think we can all agree, this battle for the throne is just hitting up. Nasa second segment pa lang tayo, pero feeling ko, yung energy nila hindi nauubos. Kasi yun yung promise nila kanina, sir, diba? They will have to hype up the whole event hanggang sa matapos.
Ang
Ano po?
coronation dapat meron kayong energy.
So remember, warriors, this is only the beginning. The next segments will test not just your strength and courage, but your confidence, poise, and wit. So get ready because the journey to the throne continues.
And sa isang saglit lang po, ibigay na po natin ang second set of our special awards. So sa tingin nyo, sino-sino kaya mga po ng mga special awards? Okay, everyone has a bet.
Totoo naman, kahit ako sir, gusto ko lahat sila may awards, di ba? Grabe yung binigay nilang effort dito, yung kanilang pagod, para lang makapagbigay ng maayos at magandang performance sa inyong lahat. Ano po, and now, let us begin the second set of special awards. So again, we will be announcing first the male category, followed by the female categories.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for second set of special awards. These awards honor the outstanding qualities of our candidates as recognized by our generous sponsors.
So we will start with our Power Send awardees. May we call on stage Mr. Gerald Nuevo, Ms. Dayan Sedan, Mr. Kenneth Braqueo, Mr. Leonard Eliaba for the awarding. So the Power Send Choice awardees will receive a sash, a gift, perfume, crown, and certificate. So once I call your name, please take up the stage. You are the Power Send Choice Award, Mr. Candidate number 5.
And you are the Power Send Choice
to award the Powers and Choice Award for the female category. Here is our Miss Sheila Montero and our reigning Miss SPMSCI 2024. Sobrang laki po ng kanilang mga costumes ay hindi na alam kung paano ibibigay ang award.
Hindi na masarap ang kanyang crown kasi mas malaki pa yung kanyang costume.
Next, we have the B-Fuel Choice Award. The B-Fuel Choice Award will be awarded by its owner itself. So you will receive a sash and a cash. So you are the Mr. B-Fuel Choice Award candidate number 3.
Choice Award Miss Candidate number 10.
So assisted by Mr. Gerald Anjanuevo.
Miss Marian Olgadillo. Next, we have Slash Exposure Choice Award. Our Slash Exposure Choice Award will receive sash, certificate, and 5,000 word of photography services.
So you are the Mr. Slash Exposure Choice Award, Mr. Candidate number 3. Awarded by Mr. Leonard Eliapa.
And you are the Slash Exposure Choice Award, Miss Candidate number 2. Awards. Again, congratulations everyone.
Super deserved, and a very deserved ng ating mga candidates. So tonight, we would also like to acknowledge, of course, sa ating po 3 days activities, napakarami nating pinagdaanan, napakaraming activities na naisakatuparan, of course, with the help of our faculty. So nasan po ang ating mga faculty? Kaway po. How about the staff of South Bay? Wala akong makita. Ayan, nandyan po, faculty and staff. As much as the event heads or event coordinators of each activities that we had for our 3-day celebration of our 18th founding anniversary.
And of course, our SBMCI administrations.
Of course, malilimutan ko ba naman ang mga chairpersons ng ating 18th founding anniversary Sir Ivan, Sir RD, and yours truly. So maraming salamat sir sa inyong effort, sa inyong pagtsatsaga, sa inyong determination, just to make sure everything runs smoothly. Ano po?
And also congratulations to all of us that our event is truly a success for our 18th foundation anniversary.
Okay, so candidates, go ahead. You may now proceed to the backstage as you prepare yourselves for the next segment of the competition.
Alright, so everyone, before we proceed to our next segment, get ready to be amazed by a spectacular performance from the champions of the modern dance competition.